Rx350. The Rx350 offers a driver-inspired design and intuitive technology that puts you in total control of your interior. Paired with a spacious cargo area and a powerful V6 engine, the Rx350 continues to offer the best combination of powerful performance and interior luxury in its class. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.